Social media in a teen's life. Most teens use social media daily to communicate with friends. The most used social media are YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, while less used are Twitter, Tumblr, Reddit, and Facebook. Growing up in a digital age poses unique challenges and benefits. There is growing concern over the impact and influence social media has over today's youth, who is growing up in the digital age. Social media is used by nearly all teens around the world. It is more common for teens to post about their family life and accomplishments than to post about personal problems or political beliefs. Millennials, who are slightly older than the teens, say they rarely or never post selfies on social media, even though millennials have been called the selfie generation. Typical poses of teens on social networks. Some are very provocative. The positive aspects of social media. Some teens say these sites help to cement their friendships, expose them to different points of view. Most say that social media makes them feel more confident rather than insecure. They say that they feel more included rather than excluded when they are at home. They also believe that social media helps them become more civically minded. Teens say that social media helps build stronger friendships. Social media platforms help them learn about the world about them. If a teen has a particular cause he or she cares about, then they can write about it and get others to share and support the cause. This cause could be the environment, LGBT, helping to find a home for an abandoned animal, crowdfunding, or many other issues. Others say that social media helps them because their friends can support them through hard times, like the breakup with a boy or girlfriend, an argument with a close friend, or with a parent. Sometimes a teen might unfriend or unfollow someone on social media. This might be because the other person has created too much drama, or because this person is bullying them or others. The reason might even be cyberbullying. Modern teens are learning to do most of their communication while looking at a screen, not another person. The negative aspects of social media. The fact is that most teens feel the pressure to construct only positive images of themselves online. Some admit to feeling overwhelmed by what is happening in real time on social media. Some teens admit that they feel the pressure to post only things which will get a lot of likes and comments from their friends. Experts say teens are growing up with less self-respect and with more anxiety. A survey carried out in the UK on 14 to 24-year-olds asked them how social media platforms impacted their health and well-being. The survey found that Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram led to an increased feeling of depression, anxiety, poor body image, and loneliness. Indirect communication. Modern teens are learning to do most of their communication while looking at a screen, not at another person. Experts worry that the social media and text messaging that have become so integral to teenage life are promoting anxiety and lowering self-esteem. Teens risk having relationships that are not deep or authentic. Because the relationship online is not face-to-face, there are problems interpreting what is written and someone may get offended by mistake. Time spent on social media or forums. In the USA, one survey found that 60% of teens spend time daily or almost daily online, and almost 80% say they spend time in online groups and forums. How using media affects teens. Parents worry about how exposure to technology may affect the development of their young children. Preschoolers are developing new social and cognitive skills. Many parents worry about how exposure to technology might affect toddlers developmentally. We know our preschoolers are picking up new social and cognitive skills. However, we do not want these children to spend all their time on the iPad, which would impede their development. However, adolescence is an equally important period of rapid development. Often after school hours, when teens are doing their homework or when they are not doing their homework, they spend time on their phones, texting, sharing, trolling, scrolling, etc. What parents should be doing? Parents should spend more quality time with their teens. They should get their teens involved in sports, learning a musical instrument, or another social activity which involves interaction with their peers. Parents should discuss their children's problems with them on a regular basis. Meal times should be spent with the television off so the family have time to talk together. Okay, and then the questions. Bye-bye.